Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, luggage rack. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.